Exercise 14.1, question number 7. State the number of lines of symmetry for the following figures. A. An equilateral triangle. B. An isosceles triangle. So all of you know what is an equilateral triangle. A triangle which has three equal sides and equal angles. So the equilateral triangle has three lines of symmetry. So three ways it can be folded such that the parts will coincide with each other. Now let us see isosceles triangle. All of you know what is an isosceles triangle. A triangle which has two equal sides. So in an isosceles triangle you have only one line of symmetry. So only one way it can be folded such that the parts will coincide with each other. Now let us see how many lines of symmetry a scalene triangle has. So first you should recollect what is a scalene triangle. A triangle in which the three sides have three different measurements. So it will not have any line of symmetry. Now let us see what is a square. All of you know about a square. It has four equal sides and four equal angles. So it is a regular polygon. A polygon which has equal sides and equal angles. In regular polygons, the lines of symmetry will be same as the number of sides. In square, there are four sides, so it has four lines of symmetry. Now let us see in the case of a rectangle. So all of you know what is a rectangle? It is a four-sided polygon in which opposite sides are equal. So rectangle has two lines of symmetry. Two ways it can be folded such that the parts will coincide with each other. Now let us see in the case of a rhombus. A rhombus has four equal sides. It is a parallelogram which has four equal sides. Now in the case of a rhombus, there are two lines of symmetry. It can be folded in two ways such that the parts will coincide with each other. Now what about a parallelogram? So a parallelogram has opposite sides parallel and equal. In the case of a parallelogram, there will not be any line of symmetry. Now what is a quadrilateral? Quadri means four, lateral means sides. So a four-sided polygon. Any four-sided polygon in general is called as a quadrilateral. This will also have no line of symmetry. Now let us see the case of a regular hexagon. First you should know what is a hexagon. Hexagon is a six-sided polygon. Now what is a regular hexagon? A hexagon in which all the six sides and six angles are equal is a regular hexagon. So it will look like this. In a regular hexagon, there are six lines of symmetry. So six ways it can be folded such that the parts will coincide with each other. What about a circle? A circle is not a polygon but it is a closed shape. Now in a circle, the line of symmetry is the diameter itself. All of you know what is the diameter. It is the longest chord which passes through the center. So all the diameters in the circle are the lines of symmetry of the circle. It has infinite lines of symmetry, as you see in the figure.